Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new session in which we will understand the concept of mean deviation. Okay, so this concept is also very important. Okay, now look at this. In this part, they will ask you three questions. They can ask you mean deviation about mean or median or mode. Means they will ask you this thing, find mean deviation about mean. This is question number one. The next question would be mean deviation about median. Next question would be mean deviation about mode. So this is the three questions that they will ask you from this chapter. Okay, and all the time they will talk about mean deviation, mean deviation, mean deviation, and about the is important. So before solving this question, you have to calculate mean, median, and mode. If they will ask you to find out mean deviation about mean, you have to find out mean first, then you will go with mean deviation about mean. Then if they will ask you to find out mean deviation about median, so first find out the median and then later find out mean deviation about its median. Okay, so how we will do that? Try to understand. Suppose that I am talking about mean deviation. Okay, so mean deviation means what? Sum of what you will do from every marks xi. I'm not talking about frequency, I'm not talking about the number of terms. Okay, I'm talking about the marks. So from marks, what you have to do, you have to subtract mean. Okay, and then you have to take mod. Is that okay? We will talk about mod. Is it clear? And this is your, and now after finding this thing, you have to divide it by the number of terms, means total number of frequency n. Okay, now in place of m, if they will ask you to find out mean deviation about mean, in place of m you will write down mean. If they will ask you to find out mean deviation about median, in place of m you will be substituting median. And if they will ask you about to find out mean deviation about mode, you will do, you will, in place of m you will write mode. Okay, and then you have to solve accordingly. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.